Yeah, hi, Dick back again. Um, just carrying on the workshop tour. You can see that scrolling away at the moment around what's there. It's a good setup. Uh, a lot of these bikes that you're seeing are 20 years old or more, and they're ex racing bikes. They've been around the block a bit, and they've stopped working probably at some point in time. This brings me to my next point that I was going to discuss. What is the value of a racing motorcycle that is more than 20 years old? It's not much, is it? Because it's not competitive anymore and very specific to what it was designed for. Not competitive. Who wants it? And what's more, these are all kickstart, these old motorcycles. Technology's moved on so much, there's not many people willing to put up with that type of starting mechanism in today's world. So here you've got something non-competitive, old, probably needs work, but still there it is, still probably has usable service life left. So who's going to take advantage of that usable service life? And here's the opportunity, is that you can buy these bikes for not much money. Certainly you can get them for $1,000 or less. Look, and the point about this 20 years old is that little things have deteriorated just through time. Neoprene seals and neoprene washers, absolutely critical to making the bike run, but now they're gone. They've deteriorated, they've been affected by aging, and now the bikes are hard to start. And